how to turn off age restrictions on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can turn off age restrictions on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to turn off age restrictions on YouTube, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the YouTube application here. Once you launch the YouTube app, if you have age restricted enabled and then you would like to turn it off, make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right and then just go to this option called settings. Once you go to settings, go to general, which is at the very top of the screen, and once you go to general, over here you can see restricted mode. So if you want to turn it off, most likely this is going to be turned on by default. What you have to do is just turn off this toggle and then you should be good to go from there onwards. This way you will be able to turn off age restriction on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.